Hey, I just got my teeth. I just want to show you how easy they are and how awesome they are. Just like that, they're in. I love them. Uh, I mean, I love the price. It's like one of the best investments I made. I don't have a list with them. I only got the top. I would say like my only regret with getting them is like not getting the top and the bottom both, because like I love them so much and they look, I mean, they're just legit. I mean, like they follow your real gum line. They're just like the color's cool. Like I've got all good compliments on them. I was worried about how I'd speak and how I'd talk and how they'd fit, but I'm not worried anymore. Like I said, I'm just super excited to get the other ones. I wasn't like disappointed with like the delivery, everything. They came fast. I mean, within 3 weeks, the whole process was done. And like I said, they're so easy to deal with. Like I'm just super grateful and happy, and I really don't have any complaints. Like I said, my only regret is not getting the bottom set too. Like, so my advice to you is like take a chance, get them. They're awesome. I have no regrets. Cheers. Good luck.